Here we are at the Akatsuka Orchid Farm. This is one of the highest elevation orchid growers on the island. Here we are in the lobby. Sniffing. This guy right here will leave you seeing pink. It'll blind you, it's so strong. That one smells almost buttery. Nice philodendron. I want one of those. Tillandsias. Bromeliad. Bromeliad. Phalaenopsis. Anthurium. Pyrrheas, the tropical rhododendron. These guys do quite a bit of breeding of orchids here. Nice color. House after house after house here, filled with orchids. This one appears to be the Cattleya house. Pretty much all Cattleya orchids in there, and well, some Vandas too. This one's nice. Odontoglossum. Oncidium. Phalaenopsis. This one really gets my attention. The colors are brilliant. It's nice too. Oh, we have this one in our Satsuma tree. Paphiopedilum. Lady slipper orchids. Lady slippers are the Minnesota state flower. Most of these are tropicals though. Very nice. Multiple spikes. That's awesome. Cool. What is this? It's philodendron. has a rather intense chocolatey smell. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it smells like chocolate. Just in case you weren't sure what that smell was. It's not a candy bar, it's an orchid. And they do anthuriums here too. Here's a brand new one.